Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Okta in AWS for single sign-on security, easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS IAM dashboard. Select Identity Providers from the sidebar. Click that Add Provider button. Choose SAML as the provider type. Enter a name for your provider, such as Okta. Upload the Okta SAML metadata file you downloaded earlier. Click that Add Provider button to save your changes. Next, log into your Okta account. Go to the admin dashboard. Navigate to Applications and click Add Application. Search for AWS in the application catalog. Select Amazon Web Services and click Add. Configure the application settings as prompted. Under General Settings, assign a name to your AWS application. In the SAML settings, input the single sign-on URL and audience URI from AWS. These can be found in the AWS IAM dashboard. Ensure you include the relay state if required. Click Next to proceed to the feedback section. Select I'm a customer using this app and click Finish. Now, go back to your AWS IAM dashboard. Select the Roles section. Click Create Role. Choose SAML 2.0 Federation as the type of trusted entity. Select the Okta identity provider you created earlier. Click Next, Permissions. Attach the policies that define permissions for this role. Review your selections and click Next, Tags. Add any optional tags and click Next, Review. Name your role and provide a description. Click Create Role to finalize it. Now, navigate back to your Okta admin dashboard. In the AWS Application Settings, go to the Assignments tab. Assign users or groups who should have access to AWS. Go to the AWS console and log out of your current session. Click on the Okta login link that corresponds to the AWS application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.